Now it's time for exercise 12. For this question, you can see there are two groups, okay, group A and also group B, okay, and here shows the results of high jumps of two groups of athletes, okay, and for part A asks you to construct a back-to-back, okay, back-to-back stand and leaf diagram to present the above two set of data. Okay, two set of data. So when mentioned about the back-to-back stand and leaf diagram is a little bit complicated for this part, but I think you can also do it by yourself. Okay, so for all of the stand and leaf diagram, please, for the first step, you need to write down the title of it for it. Okay, and maybe you can write down for this part copy this one. Results of high jumps of two of the athletes. Okay, so write down results of high jump of athlete. Okay, and then you can do this just like the simple stand and leaf diagram. And for this one, try to construct the cross, and also this one you write down stand and 10 cm. Okay, so for the right hand side, try to write down the leaf and 1 cm. Okay, so now you can see for this for those data, it starts from the 200. For example, this one is 212 and 204. So for the stem part for 212, because this one is 212, so it should start from the 21. Okay, 21 is the stem part. Okay, 21 is the stem part, and 20 is the stem part for the 200. And for example, 195, the stem part it should be 19. Okay, the stem part it should be 19. All right, because 100 is the 100 is the 10 times the 10 for the stem. Okay, so let's check for those data. Are there any data that is start from the 18? Okay, that means that 180 something. Okay, 180 something. So let's check. Okay, for this one, you can see this one start from the 189. So the stem part for this number, it should start from 18. Okay, 18. So maybe we can write down 18 first. And then let's see any 190 something. Okay, for this one is not 195. So we can write down 19. Okay, 19. And then later, how about the 200? Okay, 200 somethings. But this one is 200. Okay, so we'll write down 20. We'll write down 20. And then how about 210? This one we'll write down 21. And how about, are there any 220? So this one is about 220. So I write down 22. Okay, I write down 22. So for the later part, your method is just like what we learned before. So because the times of this video, I just try to copy the answer. Okay, and I want to mainly teach you how to draw the parts about the group A. So now I try to do what I do is about the group B first. Okay, group B. Because if you want to draw the group B just like the usual stand and leaf diagram as we learned before. Okay, so I try to copy the answer for you. So this one is 7, 8, 9, and 3, 5, 5, 6, 8, 9, 9, and also this one 20. It should be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, and 9, and this one 210 maybe you have 0, 1, 2, 5, 6, and this one is 0. Alright, so we finished the part about the group B. So how about the group A? So I write it for you. Because this one is the back-to-back standard leaf diagram, so for the left hand side you also need to draw one more leaf. Okay, draw one more leaf here and this part. For the left hand side it is also the leaf part and 1 cm. Okay, alright, so in these terms, please, for the back-to-back standard leaf diagram, the left-hand side, it also we can do it for the by using the similar method. Okay. However, there are some difference. Okay, between the normal one. Okay. So in this term, we need to arrange the number in ascending order. However, in this time, we need to do it start from the right hand side to the left hand side. We need to start from the right hand side to the left hand side. So this one, start from right to left. Okay. So for example, I write some data for you. For example, this one 5, 8, 8, and 9. 5, 8, 8, and 9. So you can see, because 5 is the smallest one, okay, smallest cm, and then we write down 8, 8, and 9, okay, because 9 is the largest one, and we put the largest one at the right hand side and the smallest one at the left hand side. Okay, so we also do it for the same method, and however in this time we arrange the data. Maybe you can say the descending order, or maybe you can say we start from the right hand side, the right to the left. Okay, the smallest one at the right hand side and the biggest one at the left hand side. Okay, so in this time I hope that you can do it by yourself. Okay, you can do it by yourself. And now because the durations of because the terms of these videos, I want to copy the answer for you. So this one 0 for the 19. Okay, the 19 part is 0, 0, 0, 1, 3, 5, 7, 7, and 8, 9. Alright, and then for the next one 20, 0, 0, 2, 3, 7, 8, and 9. And the next one it should be 9, 1, 1, 2, 2, 4, 5, and 7. And then later parts, because this one for the group A, it do not have any datum that is the 220. Okay, 220 something. So we don't need to write down anything. Okay. So in this time we finished the constructions of the back-to-back standard leaf diagram. Alright. I hope that you can construct it by yourself. Okay, after you construct it by yourself, so you can check the answer from this video. Alright. So for this is for the part A. So for part B it asks you which groups of athletes perform better. Okay, which groups of athletes perform better？ 即係意思即係話邊一邊咧 ，OK 邊一個 group 咧，佢個運動員咧係會表現得好啲嘅。And now it asks you to explain, okay, explain the reason. So, as we learned before, okay, for the standard leaf diagram, we can also find out the distribution of this data, and maybe I can draw this line for you. So you can see, okay, most of the data for the group B, it focus on the 200, okay, 200 something, okay, this one have so many data, okay, so have so many data that is start with 200, okay, maybe this one 200 and 201, 202, okay. However, for group A, most of the data that it focus on 190 something, okay, for this one is 190 something, and for example 190, 191, 193 have more data that belongs to 190 something. So we can say that for group B, most of the data that most of the athletes that are 200 cm above. However, for group A, there are more data that is 200 cm below or below. Okay, so for this part, I can write this down. Okay, in group A, the result of most of the athletes are 200 cm or below. Okay, 200 cm or below, because most of the athletes that are 100 somethings, okay, for example 199, 198, okay. And for group B, in group B, the result of most of the athletes are above 200 cm. So we can say that, okay, group B perform better. Alright, so we can say that group B perform better. Okay, so in this time we finished this exercise 12. Alright.